How to fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings missing or not showing. Open NVIDIA Control Panel from the desktop. Right-click Menu and check the left side panel. Connect the monitor cable to the NVIDIA graphics card port on the back of the computer. Restart the computer to refresh the display driver. Open Device Manager and check the Display Adapters section. Make sure the NVIDIA graphics card is listed in the adapters list. Update the driver using GeForce Experience on the computer. Download the latest driver from the official NVIDIA website. Uninstall the old graphics driver from Device Manager. Restart the computer after removing the driver. Install the new driver and restart the computer again. Open Microsoft Store and reinstall the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Open Services and restart the NVIDIA Display Container service. Check the monitor detection in Windows Settings Display section. Open NVIDIA Control Panel again and check if the display settings appear. Thank you for watching.